Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we'll be learning how to change language on Facebook application. To do so, first of all, open your Facebook application and then tap on menu icon on top corner. Now you can see the settings icon on the top. Tap on it and then tap on language and region. Tap on the first option. Now to change the Facebook application language, find and select the language you want, and then as soon as you select the language will be changed. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also hit the like button if the video helped you and do subscribe for similar contents.